good.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, as y'all can see. Today I will be doing a closure install. This wig that I'm showing y'all is a wig that I handmade myself. So I went ahead and applied foundation onto the lace. When applying foundation onto the lace, this gives you a scalp look. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue Frizz spray and I'm going to use that to lock in that foundation. Y'all, when you do this, sometimes you don't have to use like foundation. Like I use liquid foundation, but you can use like a powder foundation, whatever you choose. You can use whatever works best for you. So y'all, on this part, I kept going back in. You know, I was using a razor, and then I used the scissors. Like, I just kept, you know, swapping my tools or whatever. So the razor gives you a natural look. All you do is have to cut it like zigzag or whatever. They give you that natural look. Scissors kind of give you that harsh line, which you don't want if you want your lace to look very natural. If you want your wig to look very natural, I prefer using, you know, the razor. And make sure you cut, like where I'm cutting it right now, make sure you cut that little piece off, like all the way off, like all the way off on the wig. I know y'all probably don't understand what I'm talking about, but I should have showed y'all what I'm talking about because y'all probably ain't gonna get it. But just a little, you know how the closure made, the little outside part. Make sure you cut it off. Now I'm going back in with my Got To Be Frizz spray. I'm using the spray to lay my lace down. I'm using the end of my ragtail comb to lay my lace down. Yeah, I spray the glue. the way that I'm combing it up, it's making it look like it's coming out of my scalp. I was also pressing it down as I So I went back in with my foundation and I used a different brush. Yeah, I use like a flathead brush that I use to do my eyebrows with, like a little flat brush. And I use this brush to sharpen my, part of it. This actually gave me a natural look. Yeah, I really slayed this wig, like, for real. This is the end of this video. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all subscribe to me. And I'll see y'all in my next video.